diys-by-dar, and I finally went thrifting. See what I got. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of next week's piece. Okay, everybody, as most of you know, I have a booth now in my area where I have my furniture and my pottery, and the rent is $300 a month for an 8 by 10 foot space. And I need to find some smaller things to fit in there to help meet the requirement for that rent, because you don't always sell that big piece of furniture all the time. So my friend Corey from Desert DIY, she is a great thrifter and she has great ideas. So I'm going to take a little bit of inspiration from her and try to add some other things I can get a little bit cheaper and fix or make up and make a new item out of it. So I'm going to start. I got this really cool basket, $3 from Goodwill. It's very awesome. I may put some embellishments on it. It had one area where the rope is coming off, but hey, you know, I can fix that. Another thing I got from Goodwill for $1, and you guys know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to turn it into that metallic looking vase with the lovely turquoise color on it. Another basket from Goodwill for $1. I thought I would start to do some baskets. This one is in really good shape. I don't see anything really springing off of it. It's pretty solid, and who knows, some of these I bought some spray paint. I'm going to paint them up, and who knows what I'm going to do with them. This one, kind of a nice, really heavy basket, really good shape, another Goodwill find. I paid $3 for it, probably a bit much, but I think I can get my money back out of it. And my last find from Goodwill is this really cool rustic looking tray, metal. It was $4, but I think I can change this up a bit and change the color scheme and probably get my money back on that piece. I don't know, I kind of like that. I might have to keep that. I went to this other store and their stuff is priced a little bit higher. But I did get this really cool basket with the lid. The bottom has a board in it and it's kind of yucky, so I'm probably going to have to take that board out of there and just cut a new one and put it in the bottom. And I paid $7 for this basket, probably way too much, especially it's got stuff drizzling down on it here, some glitter. But all in all, it's a pretty sound, nice little, cool little basket. And the two other things that I got from that store were, I just bought this little frame. It had a really nice design around it for $2, and probably paid a bit much for this. It was $6, but I have an idea. I have some really cool IOD transfers, the little fairies from one of the IOD Christmas selections on the transfers, and I may put some little mushrooms on there and then put some of those fairy transfers in there, and a fairy transfer in there as well. Then I got this other really cute basket, which is in really, really good shape. I probably will paint that up. It's just a perfect little size. Paid probably too much for it, $3, but I think I can get my money back out of that. And I believe I started done. The rest of this stuff is, I'm not sure where I got it from, you guys. I forgot. I don't go thrifting, so this is, you know, a new experience for me. But I got this glass vase for $1, and you know what I'm going to do to it. Another little glass vase for $1. It's going to get the same treatment. And I stopped at a restore, and oh, this has got some Christmas stuff in it. Well, I bought this cute little tin for 50 cents. Oh, great. But what I found out was anything that was Christmassy, they had 75% off. So 75% off, 50 cents. And I got 4 of these vases. They're all the same size. They were $1 each. Oh, great. Now we're going to have my husband shooting in the background. So they came out to 27 cents a piece. I have 4 of them. They filled them with Christmas bulbs. Of course, I'm not, I'll put the Christmas bulbs in something else and probably save them for something next year. But 27 cents a jar or a vase, you know what I'm going to do to them? That's a good deal. And I got this basket from there as well for $2.50, which is in really good shape as well. And I am going to do something and spruce it up a bit. And these are going to be some of the new items that I am going to fix up a bit and then stock them inside my booth. And I'm going to see how that goes. I might be going to the thrift stores more often. Hey, catch you on the next one. Next weekend, it is the New Year New to You Challenge. This is hosted by Crystal from the Crafty Creech and co-hosted by myself, diys-by-dar. And the whole concept of this is to try something that you've never done before, something that is new to you. A process, a technique, the way that you're going to put something together. It has to be new to you. So I'm going to leave that playlist in my video next weekend. Check us all out. Here's a sneak piece at what I flipped. Kind of glass all the way around. That should give you a hint where I'm probably going to go with this piece. Yep, the Seaside Fantasy. This was quite an endeavor. And join us next weekend. My video is premiering at 10 a.m. So if you want to get online with me, I'll be there to talk to you guys. Hey, thanks for watching.